Welcome to a world where reading becomes an exciting adventure for kids. Reading aloud strengthens bonds and boosts vocabulary. It's a powerful tool for connection and learning. Use silly voices and act out stories. Watch as your kids become captivated by the characters. Dialogic reading engages kids with the story, fostering critical thinking and deeper understanding. Take reading outdoors. A story picnic or nature-themed reading can refresh the experience. Combine art and reading. Create illustrations or design book covers to enhance creativity and engagement. Prevent boredom by changing up your reading routine. Try audiobooks, ebooks, or reading by flashlight. Design the perfect reading space. Cozy pillows and soft lighting can make reading time irresistible. Connect reading with real-life experiences through literary field trips. Visit places from favorite stories. Wordless books empower kids to become storytellers, boosting creativity and confidence in reading. For older kids, book clubs offer a fun way to discuss stories, make friends, and deepen understanding. Fostering a love for reading has lifelong benefits, improving academic performance and enhancing empathy. Ready to make reading magical? Click the link below for more fun reading ideas.